Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today let's go over another premium medium question in the database category that I just solved on my own. So again, I'm pretty glad that I was able to come up with my own solution to this question and without any assistance and do it relatively quickly. So this one's called count student number in department. So let's review it. Let me show you how I did it. So this one is pretty straightforward, I thought. You just have to get the department IDs. So for example, engineering has a frequency of 2, science has a frequency of 1, law has a frequency of 0, and just tally up the department IDs, use the department ID as the key and the frequency as the value. So let's go ahead and do that. For IS in enumerate student department ID and D of S plus equals to 1. And then since we now have our frequencies, now we can just go here and map the department ID to the name. So let's say, just call this DD is dict for IV in enumerate department DPT ID. DD of V is equal to department of department name of I. Okay, so that allows us to get the name, and what we're going to do now is, since we want each department's frequency, how many times this course was taken, we have to iterate over this dictionary. And let's just say B, and then obviously we want that frequency, which is just going to be D of A because that's the same key, right? Cool. So now we basically have our answer, so it's pretty smooth sailing from here. Extract the results, and then we want to sort by the student number in decreasing order. So let's say answer.sort key equals lambda x x1, so this guy, and then also in reverse order. And cool, so now and also department name alphabetically. So let's say, well, let's just do it like this. I think the other parts should be fine. So let's say 1 and 2 for A and answer, 1 dot append A of 0. So we're just building the result now. 2 dot append A of 1. And then let's go ahead and print 1 and 2. Cool. So engineering 2, science 1, law 0. Matches the result. So let's go ahead and make a data frame, return it, and populate our two columns, department name and student number, assigning it 1 and 2. So just filling these columns. And so let's run this. Okay, submit it. And there you go, passes all test cases. Again, really glad that I was able to come up with my own solution to this problem and solve it on my own without any help. And I thought it was pretty easy and straightforward. And yep, so that's it for this video. If you found value, consider subscribing, and thank you for watching.